Welcome to our Art to Date and Select catalogues. The catalogues offer a wide range of works from New Zealand and international artists. Although we can't welcome you inside our premises at this time, the works will be installed in our gallery and available for contactless viewing. Our roller doors will be open and we will be able to bring works to you to view from a safe distance. We look forward to seeing you online. We also have phone bidding and absentee bidding available for the auction on the 10th of October. Both sales will be going ahead as scheduled this coming Sunday, so do get in touch with the team. We'd love to hear from you.